Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen, scroll down and go to the last option, the language. Click that, and here you can select languages: English, Deutsch, Japan, Chinese and Korean and more. And if you want to turn on a language, just click to the next white circle, for example the Deutsch, and click to the next white circle. And the application language is Deutsch. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.